Welcome crypto miners. Today I'll show you how to withdraw your Alpha Network coins to Trust Wallet. Let's make this fast. First, open your Alpha Network app and log in. Tap the wallet or withdraw section. You'll see your Alpha coin balance here. Before withdrawing, ensure your KYC is complete. It's quick. Just upload your ID and verify. This keeps your account secure. Alpha coins need to be sold for USDT first, so go to the Sell tab, enter the amount of Alpha coins you want to sell, and confirm. Your USDT balance will update once the order is filled. Now open Trust Wallet, select USDT, tap Receive, and copy your USDT address. Make sure it's on the ERC20 network. Back in Alpha Network, go to Withdraw, select USDT, paste your Trust Wallet address or enter the amount. Double check the address and then hit Withdraw. Processing takes about 30 minutes depending on the network, so just check Trust Wallet to see your USDT arrive. And that's it guys, done. Now you've withdrawn your Alpha Network coins to Trust Wallet. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips like this one, and happy mining.